For half Lord of the Fishes pose, start by kneeling and then come to sit on the left side of your feet. Step your right foot over the left thigh with the right knee pointing up. Inhale and raise your right arm and take it to the ground behind you, as close to the bottom of your spine as you can. Inhale and raise your left arm, extending through the left side of the body. And then as you exhale, bend the left elbow and take it to the right side of the right knee or thigh. And with the left hand, reach for the right foot. As you can see, I can't reach that. So you can bend your left elbow and wrap it around the right knee instead. On the next inhale, lengthen through the spine, and then as you exhale, twist to look over to your right. So twists help with flexibility and posture. Take a few more breaths, twisting a little more each time. When you're ready, slowly untwist, bringing the left arm behind you and taking the right arm inside the right knee for a counter twist. And then you would come back to centre, bring yourself to kneeling and repeat on the other side. As with other poses, it's essential to warm up before you do this frog pose. Start in a wide-legged child's pose with your big toes touching and your knees towards the outer edges of your mat. And lower the upper body down towards the ground. Bring your ankles in line with your knees. Take a breath in, and then as you exhale, slowly push back a little until you feel a stretch on your hips and inner thighs. Over time, you may be able to increase the distance between the knees, but don't rush into it. To release, slowly bring yourself back into tabletop. For fish pose, start by lying on your back, then bend your knees, push down on the feet, lift the hips up, bring your hands to underneath your body and hook your thumbs, and try to straighten your arms as much as you can. Then release the hook and lower the body back down onto the hands. Lengthen the legs, squeeze the shoulders together, bringing the elbows closer to each other. Inhale and push your chest up, bringing the crown of the head to the floor, looking behind you. Keep breathing in and out, and don't turn the head while you're in this position. Just keep looking directly behind you, keeping the chest pushed upwards. And then to come out, slowly straighten out, take the elbows away from each other and release the hands.